I built a tiny transducer once my ideas about should be built, and there might have been a slight smell of natural said there was no electricity, of course, but apart from slight fluctuations in the needle, which is probably noise. Here's the device. It is. And all sorted in place, and it produces no electricity, which is not surprising. It runs on air, and you really need designed to work on deuterium, but not allowed to. I think you might produce very large radiation, which you might do if it works. And there's no oscillations and nothing to take freak of. I can't stick to a meter. Oh, meter, here it is. A meter, which is here. Which is here. The meter. And that recorded slight fluctuations. And that could be vibration. This is a Bluetooth aerial. I'll take this off. And I had a connecting cable between the two, like this, which is quite a nice one. That goes on there, and that one goes on the transducer. It produces nothing. Very little. It was a slight fluctuation, but it's just less than a division, so I'll post that 1 division. That's if it was working. It was just noise. So it's a failure, and until I get a conversion to a bigger coil and I'll get my coil back, which I had, which was probably in hands of Brainstorm and Duke. I think Brainstorm's got two, and not that Steve did have one, but that's finished by the current laboratory. And well, since, and I don't know whether it works or not, because we never had a chance to try it, because we were afraid of the effect of radioactivity from it. But it was not working. There was no danger. And it generated the danger too much. Anyway, that's the end of my talk. I hope to see you on the 4th of August. I'll bring my tire transfer with me and the report. I might try an oscillator to start it or something. So far, there's a spot breaking oscillator from it. We need a power transistor. Not very powerful. And a battery. And so it'd be a feedback resistor, a feedback oscillator, because the output will be fed to the input. I'll see if I can do it. But that's just to start. And we're starting also, if it does. But it won't produce the electricity. So I hope to see you on the 4th. I don't know anybody else who's coming, but hopefully there'll be 3 of us, 4 of us, or 5 of us, depending who turns up. It's only just about down the road for me, but it's quite a long way for Steve Road. And Ted might be coming as well. Okay. See you on the 4th.